One thing what I've learned, my personal life, I have learned to block the noise from the outside. What I mean with this is different opinion that doesn't line up with my value, me as a leader. So my point of view as a coach towards you, learn how to block those noises. Use that as a motivation. You know what matters the most is what God is saying about you this specific moment. Block those noises. Move forward. 2026. You gotta stay in focus. You gotta continue with your journey. Don't let those noises to block you. I know you got this. You be blessed.